this is what I like to call the four corner. The four best things. I like the store. Duh. Store, help pictures, and we photo bomb.
Sorry guys. Looks like they have a buffet here.
Sure. So this is the Fremont. And we shall enter. Love me baby, love me baby.
Bar over to our right. I like how he was trying not to smoke around here.
I don't know.
Nice little bar.
Not too bad.
No? Alright. How fancy is that?
Yeah. And the part of Slot World I'm not allowed in. And the sports book is right over here. And Game of Thrones, but I've never seen that, sadly. And oh, dang, this is small. There's buffet. We'll see you later.
See you in a minute.
Hey, 10 minutes. I'll see you in my.
Tony Roma's here as well.
What's Tony Roma's?
Yeah, ribs. They have really good ribs from what I hear.
Oh. I was gonna say, Tony Roma's smell like old people. It's not that funny, actually.
No, not funny.
Here's the
Second Street Grill?
Sir, yeah. Sir. This is called the bar, and it's also where all the cocktail waitresses come back. I don't know, the camera's all fuzzy. Fuzzy. Yeah. Let's go over here.
Oh yeah, it's a little food court.
So we got Dunkin' Donuts, the Rocky Chocolate Factory, quick and delicious. Like, I don't know how to say that word. Express. And yeah, this is Dunkin' Donuts.
Look at that big old bear. I want to touch it.
No. 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 It's hot. So we're gonna head through here, and I smell Salt World Tempranillo.
They don't want to pay.
Hey, this is a good turtle.
What does that mean?
It's a type of nocturnal creature that security is right in front of us.
There's the registration right here. Oh, there's a little gift shop over there. We should go check it out.
There's registration.
Check-in's at 3 p.m.
And here's the Fremont Casino Sharpshooters.
Sharpshooter Club. Are you a sharpshooter?
Yeah, see, my real name is
You know?
John Rodriguez. Yep.
Yeah, I'm sure that's it. With all you can eat prime ribs, Sunday, Monday, and today's Thursday, right?
It is.
Everybody wants to know what night it is, and I always forget to say. So
There's a floggy.
there's a little gift shop.
They got a Mr. Good bar?
Yeah, what?
Mr. Good bar.
I haven't seen those forever. Colin. Do you have a big eye?
Oh. Yeah.
It's my eye big.
There you go. You moved it. Okay, well.
It's a little gift shop, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna try.
Making it ding.
Yeah, I do. But also, that is like the smallest gift shop ever. It's pretty fancy.
It's a cool access to like California for a city like that. You want to go out and around town again?
So here's Kino. Here. Let's see what's upstairs.
Oh, they have old coins.
Huh. This is where the executive's office is.
It is.
Yeah. Oh well. Slab.
Health coach? They have a health coach? I don't know. Okay, I don't think we're supposed to be in.
Meal and coffee. Hey, we can go up and down. See this?
Your employee of the year. Dang.
And that is the noise of the elevator.
What? Why are you running tonight?
I took like 5 naps. No. Down the stairs we go. So there's Kino over there. And here is the nice coin slots.
The old school ones with the coins.
Uh-huh.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the deal. You can't go recording throughout the casino, alright?
Oh, okay. And now go.
Welcome to the Fremont Hotel Casino. Mega. Slop World. Alright, just stay up here to the side and then get all the green machine that was stuck on, oh god, there's one security guard.
What?
He's right over to your left. Thank you. How many rooms do you think it has?
Sorry, I was trying to get a cool entrance.
How many rooms?
231.
447. Guess how old it is. And I'll give you a hint. It is older than the Riviera was. Wait, how old was the Rib?
Older? 60.
Yeah, just by few. 62.
Let's say 63. Trying to get the table.
$5 craps. Dollar roulette. $5 blackjack. $3 blackjack. $1 three-card poker. Single blackjack. $5. These lanes aren't open. Hopefully you heard me with all those minimums. Colin was walking me back. Okay, this way.
Sorry, I don't know why.
Alright.
So, we are going to the buffet because we already got
Do I need
busted.
a player's card here? Alright. So, we're gonna do the buffet walkthrough, guys. We'll do that in a minute. Here's the salad bar. Basic salad food. Soup is taco beef soup today. We got fruits, carrot salad, cucumber salad, macaroni, bow tie, all kinds of salads. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So they call this the South by the Southwest. Obviously, taco meat, dirty rice, refried brains, catch of the day, carnitas. This is the Pacific Rim. Rice, kung po chicken, Chinese barbecue pork. Today's prime rib night. We got Italian cuisine, garlic bread, baked chicken, pasta noodles. Can't really see those. fried chicken, Swedish meatballs, butter noodles, mixed veggies, mashed potatoes, and baked potatoes. And all the fixing for your baked potatoes. This is one of the smaller food or places we've been, buffets we've been. Here's nacho chips and nacho cheese. We got shrimp cocktails, peel and eat shrimps, lemon, crab salad, fruit salad. Gonna go on this side. Jello, cottage cheese, mixed fruits, mayo. Oh, it looks like you can make like sandwiches. Roast beef, turkey, mayo, mustard, ham, cheese. And then my favorite dessert. Ooh, cream puffs. I like when the desserts are like this, because then you can just grab what you want. You don't have to ask someone for whatever. They also have fresh sushi. Sushi, I can't say it right. Ice cream. Why do they have sushi at the dessert bar? I don't know. Anyway, more desserts. I think I'm gonna have, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just go with basic cheesecake tonight. Anyway, that is the buffet here at Fremont Street Hotel and Casino. Ooh, look at these fancy slots.
Sorry, I thought it was Timberwolf. Had to
You
look.
like Timberwolf?
I think that'll be my first one.
Yeah. Alright, let's go down this way.
I didn't know you could just walk straight through
You're
there.
not supposed to. $5 blackjack. More blackjack. Super fun. 21 single deck. $10. Texas Hold'em. $10. I don't know what that one is. It looks like blackjack as well. Yeah, these are all different types of blackjack. Ooh, double zeros hit on roulette. And then we got craps over here. Let's hit up some slots. Do slot world.
Slot world, yeah.
Slot world. These are the fancy ones. They're all dollar slots.
Yeah.
Alright, and then that is the wraps. Fremont. Let's go outside and see what kind of crazy we can see. Peace out, Fremont.
On the side of Fremont is Bignon's. On the other side,
Steak and lobster dinner at Tony Romo's from 9 p.m. to 11 a.m.
oh yeah, we got my man on the, I don't know what that's called.
Yeah, what is that called? It's like a... Oh, they're dancing.
Oh, ooh,
Your car?
ooh, that's a nice one. There's the nun with her boobs out.
Yeah, they're not real.
I want to get zip line. Oh, perfect.
Taking a picture.
No.
So fun. I'm gonna do the top one with you, okay?
I guess it's not going down. It's so stupid.
Kids
Man.
look exhausted.
I know, but people need to learn how to walk, for goodness sakes. hope you guys enjoyed the video of Fremont Street and also Fremont Hotel. Wait to cross 4th Street, and we'll see you later, Vegas. Bye-bye.
Run! Run! Run, Colin, run!
Oh, that's a Colin thing.
Whoa, look at the paint.
Oh, wow. Why don't they took all the old photos down? I wonder what they're going to turn that place into. Cannabis museum. Yeah, that place is cool.
What?